Let's take a look at the chart action for AMC. Alright, so we're on the 1 hour time frame right now, and we got this uptrend going something like this. We had our support going right here, and it looks like we're holding support right here for right now. So let's see if we can keep holding that support. The other thing we have is this downtrend going something like this. We had our resistance right here, and that gives us our resistance and support lines. So basically what I'm looking at is this triangle pattern going something like this. Let's see if we can hold support right here and then come back up and break this resistance line right there. If we can, I think we can target from the top to the bottom of this triangle pattern right here. Do that and then drag that to the breakout somewhere, wherever the breakout would be, somewhere. If we hopefully we break to the upside, and it would be something like around $100, 101.35 approximately. I'm not 100% sure exactly where it would be, but this is kind of where I'm looking at. We'd also want to make sure we get some volume behind it. We were getting some pretty good volume on AMC back here, and then the volume has been declining. So let's see when we can get a breakout of volume as well. Keep your eye on the volume. It's been declining, so once we get a breakout right there, then you know that we will be on our way to either going up or going to the downside. So yeah, that's our bullish scenario. If we break this trend line going to the downside, we might be looking at a support right here. We had support right here and right here pretty much. So I would say maybe we could get a horizontal line and do something like this. That gives us a level of 42.49 approximately. That's where the bodies are on the 1 hour time frame. We also had a wick down to around 37.89. So it's possible it could wick down right there, but so I'm not really sure if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down right here. And if it did go down, maybe it'll get some support right here and it won't go all the way back down to the lower levels. Like I said, for right now, we're on this uptrend right now, and we're going to be wanting to look at this white trend line going to the upside. So yeah, until we break that, then we're going to be wanting to be bullish pretty much. That's why I'm thinking that we can target this $100, $101 target, somewhere around there. But to be safe, you might want to wait until the breakout to really target this $101 target. It's possible we still get a breakdown like I was talking about. Let's go ahead and delete all the lines we have on the chart, and let's take a look at the moving averages. So if we look at the daily time frame, this is one of the big ones I really like to watch, and right now we are above this moving average, which is a good thing. We broke above it right here. Ever since then, we've had a nice little bull run, and we came down, tested it, we broke below it, but we bounced right back above it. Now again, we're testing it, but this is still good that we are above it. If we go into the weekly time frame, same thing. We got a cross on the 180 moving average and the 9 moving average, and the 9 moving average is just going pretty much straight up parabolic style. And if you go into the monthly time frame, you could see that even more. It's just the monthly time frame is just going parabolic, and we pretty much just destroyed the all-time highs, the previous all-time highs. So yeah, it's pretty much just going crazy right now. And if you go onto the 4 hour time frame, same thing. The moving average is below us and the price is above the moving average, which we like to see. And this is on the 4 hour time frame, so that could go in and out like it's kind of has been, but that's still good. And then also on the 1 hour time frame, we're testing it right now, and yeah, we're on this like nice little uptrend on the 1 hour time frame, the smaller time frame. So yeah, it looks like even just on the small time frame, we're looking pretty nice. In general, like I said though, we are in this kind of sideways triangle pattern, something like this, like I was talking about. So yeah, we are basically still going sideways. But like I said, it is generally in an uptrend. So yeah, we're going to want to keep that in mind as well. Until we break this line right here with some good volume, basically we're going to be wanting to watch the volume. If it's green or red, then we'll be knowing if we break this line with some red volume, then you know that we're changing direction or changing momentum. But if we keep getting this little movement upwards and we break this trend line right here, hopefully we can see some green volume come in, and then we can look at that 101 target, something like that. Let's look at that target again. We drag from the top to the bottom of this triangle, something like this, and then we could drag that to the breakout somewhere, let's just say somewhere right here, and then yeah, 101.43 approximately. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you guys are wondering how I look at these charts, check out the video on the screen right now, and that'll help you out. Alright, if you guys like AMC, hit that thumbs up button, and share this video if you think it's good information.